Hi everyone, it's Alex. Today, I want to talk about something that almost every English learner experiences. When you try to speak English, sometimes people laugh, sometimes they misunderstand you, and sometimes you lose confidence before you even finish your sentence. I know that feeling. I've seen thousands of learners go through the same thing. So today, let's fix that. I'm going to teach you how to use simple present tense confidently through a story, daily life examples, and natural phrases you can use immediately. No complicated grammar, no fast English, just real life, simple, powerful communication. Let's begin. A few months ago, I'm sitting in a cafe, and next to me, there is a man trying to order coffee in English. He looks nervous. His hands shake. He keeps repeating, "I am want coffee. I am need sugar." The barista looks confused. The people behind him look impatient. The man becomes more stressed. And then he makes a small mistake. People around him laugh quietly. Not loudly, not rudely, but enough for him to feel embarrassed. He looks down. He pays, and he walks away very fast. I feel bad for him. Because the truth is, he didn't need better vocabulary. He didn't need perfect pronunciation. He just needed the simple present tense. Instead of, "I am want coffee," he only needs, "I want coffee." One small change, one small verb, and everything becomes clear. Simple present tense is extremely powerful. It is the tense English speakers use every single day. So today, I want to help you master it fully. Let's make this super simple. Rule 1. I, you, we, they, plus base verb. I want, you like, we go, they work, I need, I see, I speak. Very easy. Rule 2. He, she, it, plus s. He wants. She likes. It works. He speaks. She needs. That's the only difference. No am, no are, no is. Now let's use real-life examples. Morning routine. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I drink coffee. Talking about habits. I read every day. I watch English videos. I practice speaking. Talking about likes. I like tea. I prefer cold weather. I love traveling. You see, simple present tense is everywhere. And when you master it, people stop laughing. People understand you clearly. People respect your English. Let me tell you about one of my students, Maya. Maya is smart. She works hard, but she always uses the wrong tense. She tells me, "I am going office every day. I am liking pizza. I am having 2 brothers." She uses am everywhere because she thinks English always needs it. I gently explain, "Maya, relax. English is simple. You don't need extra words. Just say exactly what you mean." So she tries again. I go to the office every day. I like pizza. I have 2 brothers. She looks surprised. She says, "Alex, that sounds more natural. Why didn't anyone tell me this earlier?" I smile. I tell her, because people learn complicated English in school. But real English is simple. Real English is clean. Real English is light. And today, I'm telling you the same thing. We're going to practice together. Conversation 1. At work. Alex, what do you do? You, I work in IT. Nice. Where do you live? I live in New York. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I enjoy it. Beautiful. Clean, simple. Conversation 2. At a restaurant. Waiter, what do you want to eat? You. I want chicken biryani. Waiter. Do you want tea? You. Yes, I like tea. Perfect. Conversation 3. Talking about routine. Friend. When do you exercise? You. I exercise in the evening. Friend. Do you go to the gym? You. Yes, I go 3 times a week. Again, amazing.
Phrases you must learn today. Here are high-frequency phrases English speakers use all the time. I think so. I don't know. I don't understand. I like that. I prefer this. I need help. I feel tired. I agree. I disagree. I want more time. Everything is in simple present tense. If you master these phrases, your fluency increases immediately. Now, I want to talk to you honestly. Sometimes, people laugh not because your English is bad, but because they don't understand you yet. Sometimes they don't know how difficult learning English is. Sometimes they don't realize their reaction hurts you. So listen to me. Don't stop speaking. Don't stop trying. Don't stop practicing. When people laugh at your English, it says nothing about you, but everything about them. You're learning a full new language. You're improving your life. You're becoming stronger. That's something to be proud of. Confidence technique. Speak slow and simple. Here's a trick I teach all my students. If you want people to understand you easily, speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Use simple present tense. For example, instead of saying, I am trying to communicate about the difficulties that I face, say, I have a problem. I need help. I don't understand this. Clear communication is powerful communication. Mini challenge, you speak with me. Repeat after me. I speak English confidently. I learn every day. I practice regularly. I improve quickly. I enjoy learning. I trust myself. I can communicate. I grow every day. These are not just sentences. These are mindsets. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English, simple English, strong English. And that starts with the simple present tense. So keep practicing, keep repeating, keep believing in yourself. I'm proud of you, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.